The attitude which is triggered is related to negative altitude. So we can predict that the answers will have negative meaning. Buoyant as choice A and sanguine as choice B. Both mean anyone optimistic or positive, which are totally opposite to the prediction and the context of the passage to fit the blank. So choice A and choice B are to be eliminated. Moreover, upright and innocent, given as choice D and choice C, both mean innocent and honest attitude, which is always positive attitude. So choice C and D are also eliminated. Errant and delinquent as choice E and choice F mean showing or characterized by a tendency to commit crime, particularly minor crime, or erring or straying from the proper course of standards. So only E and F can give us negative gesture to fit the blank according to our prediction. So the correct answers are choice E and choice F.